Here's how I was able to get onto the Food Network multiple times and cook with the legend himself, Mr. Bobby Flay. The best part about all this is I'm getting ready to tell you exactly how to do it. Just so you know, working on the Food Network set is not all the glitz and glam that you think it is. We are literally on set all day, meaning we wake up around 6, we get on set around 7, we start filming at 9 a.m., and then we film all day until 9 p.m. It's challenging, it's stressful, super fun, and it definitely ain't for the weak. But the opportunities that come from being on national television, especially multiple times, on top of that, being able to meet and work with some of these top chefs that we've been watching on TV for years, and on top of that, working and being able to meet other chefs that you would have never met from all across the country. Great opportunity. Pay attention. Here's how you do it. The first thing you need to do is get on at least 5 different casting agencies. Remember, it is their job to find the talent. You'll get casting calls through your email at least once a week, where you can find the one that best fits you and your culinary skills, and then you can apply for it. Next thing you need to do is when you get those casting calls, sign up for every single one that applies to you every single time. Do not stop. Apply. If you don't get a call, apply. Do not stop. They will eventually call you. If you're interested in those 5 different casting agencies, leave a comment with what city you're in. If you know somebody, tag them in this post. As always, if you got any questions, need advice, just ask.